guys, welcome back. Hope y'all are having a great day. Today I am playing around with some more Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes. I picked up the 3 new mini palettes that were released about a week ago, and you know me, I couldn't wait to play with them. To be honest guys, I didn't expect to get them yesterday. I thought I was gonna get them later this coming week, and I was pleasantly surprised, and I knew I had to jump on here, show you guys some looks using these 3 gorgeous palettes, and just let you know my thoughts in case you are interested in picking them up. These are mini palettes. They are 6 pan palettes, and they do contain matte, shimmer, and duochrome shades. So let me take you through all 3 of them. I am going to include some swatches that I did of these palettes in natural light so that you can see what they are going to look like on a fair to light skin tone. So these mini palettes retail for $14 each, and I picked them up directly from the Juvia's Place website. I believe that is the only place where you can find them at the moment. Juvia's Place is sold at Ulta Beauty, but I don't believe they have these shades available yet since they are new releases. So this first one is the Mauves by Juvia's. And then those are the nice, pretty mauve tones that you get. Really, really nice. You have that duochrome down there, the shimmer, and of course you have those matte shades. Really, really pretty. The next one in this collection is the Sweet Pinks by Juvia's. This is for the Barbie girl, the girl who loves pink. This is such a fun palette. And then last but not least, we have the Taupes by Juvia's, and this is a cool toned neutral palette with some amazing shimmers in there. Don't be fooled by the neutralness of this palette, guys. You can definitely get very creative with it, and this is the one I have on my eyes right now. I do want to let you guys know that the mascara that I'm wearing in all 3 looks is the Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara, and the eyeliner I'm using is from Tarte. This is one of their marker style. It's a dual-ended. This is a marker style, and then you have a pencil over here on the end, and I'm already out of the pencil. And to prime my eyelids, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Putty Primer in the shade Rose. All of the products I'm using on my face, including the foundation, powder, all of that good stuff, will be linked in the description box down below in case you are interested in purchasing. So guys, I'm going to insert the swatches that I did of these 3 palettes, and then we're going to jump into the tutorial portion. I'll be creating 3 looks, one using each of the palettes, and then I'll give you my final thoughts, my review at the end. If you want to see the new Juvia's Place mini palettes in action, keep on watching. guys, those were the 3 looks I created using the new mini palettes from Juvia's Place. What did you think about the looks? Let me go ahead and give you my thoughts, my review on these mini palettes. I do have 2 other mini palettes from Juvia's Place that I really have been enjoying, and I got those recently. I think I got them about maybe a month ago, and I've been playing around with them. I did some looks with them on my Instagram, and I really enjoyed those palettes. If you're gonna ask me to pick a favorite, I think I'm gonna give it to the Sweet Pinks, but nothing to do formula-wise. They all performed really well, but just because I love the colors that are in here, I thought they were vibrant, they were so much fun, and this shade right here comes off brighter when you apply it to your eyes than how it looks in the pan. To me, it kind of looks a little muted in the pan, but when you apply it to the eyes, I really love that color. This duochrome right here, I believe it's a duochrome. It is just amazing. It is so, so pretty, as is this one up here, the entire palette. I just loved working with this palette. I didn't find any shade that was underwhelming. They all performed really well. And I will say, guys, within the 3 palettes, you're not gonna get a lot of kick up in the pan. Like, it's really, really minimal. And I think the one shade that I noticed it the most was this shade right here in the Sweet Pinks palette. Other than that, guys, I think you're gonna really enjoy the quality of these palettes. The only shades out of all 3 that I got some fallout with was, of course, those shimmer shades, just because I am going in with a wet brush, and I always like to go in with a damp brush because I feel the product adheres better to the brush as well as to the eyelid, and for me, it just helps with placement. But those were the only shades that I got a little bit of fallout, but nothing to where you need to do your eyes first and then go in with the rest of your makeup. This is the Taupes palette, and this is the one I have on right now. This is a beautiful, like a cool tone little mini palette. Guys, those shimmer shades are absolutely gorgeous. I thought they all blended out really well. I think that in all 3 of the palettes, the only shade that kind of gave me a little bit of trouble when I was packing it on, and it was on this eye in particular, and it's probably because I just took off the 2 eye looks I had and then reapplied my makeup, so that could have been it, but it was this shade right here, and it was only on one eye that it was having a little trouble kind of building up in a little bit on the eyelid, but just kept working with it and no problem there. I thought they were all gorgeous, gorgeous shades. And you know what I'm thinking? I don't think I used this shade right here. I think this is the only shade out of all 3 palettes that I didn't use. I could be wrong, but I don't really remember using this one. But guys, if you're interested in trying Juvia's Place, maybe you've never tried Juvia's Place before and you're a little overwhelmed by the larger colorful palettes that they have, consider picking up some of the mini palettes. You get 6 shades in here. You get a nice mixture of mattes and shimmers, and they perform really well. It says that they are good for 24 months after opening, and they retail for $14. Right now, they are available on the Juvia's Place website. I have not seen them yet on the Ulta Beauty website, but Ulta Beauty does carry the other shades in the mini palettes. So I'm pretty sure these palettes will be making their way over to Ulta, but if you want to pick them up right now, Juvia's Place is going to be the place that you need to go to. I bought them as a little bundle. They also have them bundled now with their new nude lipsticks. So that's definitely something to check out. And I want to say those little bundles retail for $25. You get a palette and you get one of their new nude lipsticks. So that's really something, a great way to try Juvia's Place if you've never tried them before. The code that I use, the discount code that I use is Angelica, and that is from Angelica Nyquist. I don't know if, I'm so sorry if I mispronounced the last name, but she is like one of my favorite YouTubers at the moment. She does so many colorful looks, and I've been using her codes. I used it for the Voila palette, and I used it for these palettes. So I'll have that in the description box down below so you can save 10% off of your order at Juvia's Place. But guys, don't be afraid of picking any one of these up. You cannot go wrong with them. You know, if you could only pick one, of course, I would go for the Sweet Pinks just because I love colorful makeup. I love these shades. But guys, the taupes is really pretty. The mauves is really pretty. They're just all really pretty. You're not going to be disappointed with the quality of Juvia's Place. So guys, what were your thoughts on these new Juvia's Place mini palettes? Leave me a comment down below and let me know all your thoughts, suggestions, feedback. Guys, I welcome all of your feedback. That's what helps me grow here as a YouTube creator. And I thank you all so much for taking the time to comment and to thumbs up my videos. It means the world to me, guys. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.